Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find Inazuma 11 Victory Road save file. Alright, to find the save file of this game, it doesn't matter if it's Steam, another platform, it will be the same. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to hold Windows key plus R, this will pop up, and then we're going to type %app data, app data %, like that. We're going to click OK or just enter on your keyboard. And then here, after this tab is gonna open, we're gonna click on app data right here to go back, and then local low, we're gonna double click level 5. This is the company that made the game. Double click, and here you will have two folders, or maybe just one folder, depending if you have the demo version of the game and the full game. In this case, I'm gonna go for the full game. Double click in the user. This will be your ID. Remember this every time you're gonna like back up your files. Double click in there, and here you have the save folder. This is your file. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to find, easy to locate it, and what you can do with this is you can share it with other people. Just remember, it depends like on the ID, and this doesn't work for like cloud save or cross save files like the between devices. For example, this will not work if you're trying to like share it to your Nintendo Switch or like, you know, play it in different devices. It will not work. This is only for local device save. All right. Yep, that was easy to do, and I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.